IIT Indore, amongst one of the youngest IITs in India, an IIT having research collaboration with organizations in Japan, South Korea, Russia, Portugal, France, Germany, and USA. Doesn't all these things fascinate you to know more about IIT Indore? So this video is going to be all about that. In this video, we are going to have the detailed college review of IIT Indore. So stay tuned for that and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Before we get started, one important point: most of the numeric data used in this video is from NIRF 2021 as per it's submitted by the institute, and the PDF of the same is given in the description box. Till the date I am shooting this video, NIRF 2021 ranking has not been released, so for the ranking purposes we are still relying on the NIRF 2020. IIT Indore was established in 2009. The institute was first partially started in Oriented campus, and in the year of 2013 it rolled out its first batch of graduated students. Looking towards some of the national rankings of IIT Indore, in the NIRF 2020 ranking, IIT Indore had secured the All India rank of 10 from engineering category. Along with that, in the QS General India Ranking 2020, IIT Indore has secured the 13th rank. Point to be noted here is that this ranking was only among the Indian universities and it's not specific to the engineering category. It was a general ranking including all the universities. So in that category, IIT Indore stood at the 13th position, and that ranking was only on the national level. It was not at all international ranking. Now moving on to the campus details of IIT Indore. As I have already told you, initially IIT Indore was started in a rented campus. Finally, in the year of 2015, IIT Indore moved to its newly constructed and permanent campus. IIT Indore's permanent campus is spread across the area of 501 acres. It has academic buildings and residential campuses for the students and its faculties too. Along with that, sports facilities, some basic facilities like laundry facilities, medical facilities, grocery, food outlets, and canteens are also available within the campus. Looking toward the accommodation facilities available here for the students, here overall 5 hostels are available inside the campus, out of which 1 is for the girls and rest 4 hostels are for the boys. Here in the hostels, students are provided with 5 BHK units to accommodate 5 students with 1 student per bedroom. Means in a 5 BHK unit for 5 students, each one will be having individual bedroom. After the hostels, the needle points toward the mess facilities here. As much the reviews of the mess facilities here I could gather, the reviews are not found to be good at all. Most of the students say that the food here is not at all good to eat. The quality of food is really bad. The taste is also not good. So there are lots of complaints about the food here. Looking toward the library facilities here, IIT Indore has a state-of-the-art library infrastructure with air-conditioned and Wi-Fi enabled reading hall. Along with that, it has the vast collection of learning resources, more than 3,800 electronic journals. When it comes to the books collection, it has more than 36,000 of books with more than 2,500 e-journals. Now, moving on to the laboratories and research facilities here, IIT Indore has the state-of-the-art research infrastructure available with it. As I have already told in the intro part of the video, IIT Indore has actively participated in international projects and has joint collaboration with research organizations in Japan, South Korea, Russian Federation, Portugal, France, Germany, and USA. Having looked toward some of its recent research stats, in the year of 2019, IIT Indore published 11 patents, 0 was granted. In the year of 2018, 23 patents were published, 0 was granted. In 2017, 13 patents were published and 0 was granted. Hope IIT Indore will soon improve its research stats. Looking toward the annual student intake capacity of IIT Indore, the institute has the annual sanctioned student intake capacity of 294 students for its 4-year undergraduates program. In the academic year 2019-20, IIT Indore had the overall actual student strength of 1,178 students. It includes both the undergraduates and postgraduate students, out of which 169 undergraduate students were from within the state and 0 students was here from out of the country. Rest of the students were from various parts of the India. Looking toward the faculty details of IIT Indore, the institute has the overall faculty strength of 171 faculty members. Most of the faculty members here are PhD holder. The institute has the number of students to faculty ratio of 7:1, which is a really good number. It means that at IIT Indore, one faculty member is available for every 7 students. Looking toward the graduation and placement outcomes in the academic year 2019-20 for the 4 years undergraduates program, 226 students were graduated from IIT Indore within the minimum stipulated time, out of which 136 students were placed and 19 students were selected for higher studies. The median salary package secured by the students was 16.5 lakh per annum. Looking toward the fee structure of IIT Indore, as much the details I could gather from the official website of the institute, a student here has to pay the overall fee of more than 2,30,000 for a complete year, means 2 semesters. It is divided into the 2 parts of more than a lakh between 2 semesters. Looking toward the mode of admission at IIT Indore, being an IIT, most of the viewers already must be knowing that the admissions in the IIT Indore are conducted on the basis of the ranks scored by the students in the JEE Advanced examination. Looking toward the courses and cutoffs at IIT Indore has the courses in most of the core branches. Having a look over the cutoffs here, in the JOSA 2020 round 6, for the CSE branch, for the open category students, the cutoff was something around 1300 and the same for the civil branch was something around 9000. Most of the other cutoffs lie within them, and for the more details of the cutoffs, a PDF of the cutoffs for all the branches and all the categories is given in the description box, so please go and check that PDF. Now, finally moving on to one of the most interesting part of college life for any student, and that's the annual fests here. So, Fluxus is the annual social and cultural festival of IIT Indore. It is generally organized in the month of February. It consists of several competitions, informal events, workshops, performances by many professionals, and so on. Many well-known and big artists and bands like Local Train have performed here. So, this is all about the college review of IIT Indore from my side. Whatever you feel about the video, please comment it below. Whatever the queries and suggestions you have, feel free to comment them. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.